Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the future of financial regulation strategies for a changing landscape. In this comprehensive video, we will dissect the complex world of financial regulation and provide valuable insights into navigating the evolving regulatory environment. From emerging technologies to global economic shifts, the landscape of financial regulation is undergoing unprecedented change, presenting both challenges and opportunities for individuals and institutions alike. Introduction. The world of finance is in a constant state of flux, with technological advancements, globalization, and regulatory reforms reshaping the way we conduct financial transactions and manage risk. As we look ahead, it is crucial to understand the forces driving change in financial regulation and develop robust strategies to adapt and thrive in this dynamic environment. Understanding the changing landscape. To comprehend the future of financial regulation, we must first examine the factors driving change. Technological innovation, such as blockchain, artificial intelligence, and big data analytics, is revolutionizing the way financial services are delivered and regulated. Decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms are challenging traditional banking systems, offering greater accessibility and transparency, but also raising concerns about regulatory oversight and consumer protection. Moreover, the increasing interconnectedness of global financial markets has necessitated a coordinated approach to regulation across jurisdictions. The rise of cross-border transactions and digital currencies presents unique challenges for regulators, requiring innovative solutions to ensure financial stability and mitigate systemic risks. Challenges and opportunities. As financial markets become more complex and interconnected, regulators face a myriad of challenges in maintaining market integrity and safeguarding investor interests. Cybersecurity threats, market manipulation, and systemic risks pose significant challenges to regulatory authorities, necessitating agile and proactive regulatory frameworks. However, amidst these challenges lie opportunities for innovation and collaboration. RegTech solutions leveraging technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning can enhance regulatory compliance and risk management processes, enabling firms to adapt to regulatory changes more efficiently. Furthermore, regulatory sandboxes and pilot programs provide a testing ground for innovative financial products and services, fostering a culture of experimentation and adaptation in the regulatory space. Strategies for success. In navigating the evolving landscape of financial regulation, individuals and institutions must adopt a proactive and strategic approach. Compliance with regulatory requirements is essential but should not be viewed as a mere box-ticking exercise. Instead, organizations should embrace a culture of compliance, embedding regulatory considerations into their business strategies and operations from the outset. Moreover, staying informed and actively engaging with regulatory authorities and industry stakeholders is crucial for anticipating regulatory changes and influencing policy outcomes. By participating in industry forums, collaborating with regulators, and advocating for sensible regulations, firms can shape the regulatory environment to better align with their business objectives and risk appetite. Conclusion. As we look to the future of financial regulation, one thing is clear: change is inevitable. However, by understanding the driving forces behind regulatory transformation and embracing innovative strategies, individuals and institutions can position themselves for success in a rapidly evolving landscape. Whether it's leveraging technology to enhance compliance processes or actively engaging with regulators to shape policy outcomes, the future of financial regulation holds immense opportunities for those willing to adapt and innovate. Join us on this journey as we explore the dynamic world of financial regulation and uncover strategies for navigating the changing landscape. Together, let's embrace the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead and pave the way for a more resilient and sustainable financial system.